Hello everybody, just going through some integer questions. Should be fairly straightforward. -3, -2, -1. We're going up by 1 every time, so 0, 1, 2. This one also going up by 1 every time. And this one as well. And this one as well. And this one as well. And this one is also going up by 1 every time. -36. What are the missing numbers? We've got a -3 and a -1, so -2, -1 and 1, so 0 is in between, 2, -7, -5, -5, -3, and 0. Fill in each blank using the word greater than or less than. Hopefully my typing's not too big here. 5 is greater. And 0 is less than -6. -3 is less than 0. 0 is less than 1. -6 is less than -2. -2 is actually greater than -3. Okay, draw a number line showing all integers. So for A, I actually got these from a website, I'll just have it in the description. From A, there's all the numbers from -2 to 2. From B, you've got 6 numbers from -5 to 1. For C, there's your numbers from -10 to -6. From D, you got the numbers from -16 to -12. So, add the word right or left to make the following statements true. Use this number line to help. 2 is to the right. Might as well get typing again. To the right of 0. -1 is to the left. -4 is to the left. So left will be for things that are smaller and right will be for things that are bigger. -4 is bigger than -5. And last one, 2, is going to be to the right of -4. Okay, the opposite number of 5 is -5. Opposite number is -5 is 5. Write down the opposite of these. So really, if it doesn't have an opposite, you get, if you don't have a minus, you give it a minus. And if it does have a minus, you make it positive. 15, 3, 7, 1071. All right, insert the symbol, less than or greater than. Always think of it like a ruler. At the top part of a ruler, to the right, the numbers get bigger, to the left, they get smaller, just like we had looked at just a little bit earlier. Or you could just point to the smallest number. That would be another way of doing it as well. And that is smaller, that is smaller, that is small, that is smaller, that is smaller. Should be fairly straightforward. With a very little bit of practice, it becomes second nature. Give the temperature for these thermometers. There's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 degrees Celsius. This one, because it's 0, and I feel like it will have 10 dashes there all the way down to -10. That's at the first one. That must be at -1. This one, so that's what, -1, 2. Actually, I should look from here. 10, 9, 8, 7. I think that's at -7. I think it's 1 dash for each, and all 3 dashes away from -10, which means it's 3 degrees warmer than -10. And as for this one, -20 something, 30, 35, 40. Yeah, it's 5 each time. Yeah, I guess because 4 5s, 4 little segments of 4 segments here will get you 20 degrees, which means there must be 5 each. So that one would be -25. Okay, let's keep on going. Number 9, write down the negative fraction listed. So for this top one, because it's halfway between 0 and 1, that must be minus a half. B is, there's minus 1, so that would be 1 section, 2 section, 3 section. So it'd be minus 1 1/3. Because it's a third of the way to minus 2. For this one, minus 12. Well, so we've got 1 section, 2 section, 3 section, 4 section, 5 section, 6, 7, 8. So there's 8 sections, and that means that 4 of them would get you to minus 13. So after 1, 2, 3, 4, so minus 13 would be here. And then we'd be going in quarters. So minus 13 1/4, minus 13 1/2, minus 13 3/4 before the 4 quarters, minus 14. So that's minus 13 3/4. And this one, minus 2, we've got 1 section, 2 section, 3 section, 4 section, 5 section. That means there must be a fifth every time. Minus 2 1/5, minus 2 2/5. True or false? 3 is opposite of 6. No. 0 positive number? No. 8 minus 8 is greater than 1. No. Minus 11 is less than minus 6. That is true. 0 is a negative number. No, I don't think it's negative or positive. Minus 5 is less than minus 2. That is true. Minus 2 is equal to 2. That is false. Minus 7 is greater than minus 2. That is false. Okay, that's all the integers that fit the given description. So from minus 2 up to minus 4. So I guess including minus 2. Just counting all the way up there. Greater than minus 3 and less than 2. So that means it goes from minus 2 all the way to 1. We're done. From minus 7 up to minus 0. Minus 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And dashes in between. And then minus signs in between. Yep, minus sign. There we go. Greater than minus 5 and less than 1. So minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0. Less than minus 3 and greater than minus 10. So I'm just going to put them down here. Minus 9, minus 8, minus 7, minus 6, 5, 4. So those, don't forget your minus signs. Less than 4 but greater than minus 4. So that'll be minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Arrange these numbers in ascending order. That means that they're getting bigger. So we've got to start with the smallest one. What I'm going to do, I'm going to actually type these in because I think I'll be able to do that much neater than my little scribble. So minus 10 is the smallest, then minus 6, then minus 4, then, well, there is no minus 4, scrap that. Up to minus 6 is minus 3, then there is 0, 2 and 4. 4, and for this one, minus 304 is definitely the smallest number. Minus 142, minus 2, 0, 1, 71, and 126. Okay. Write the next three numbers in these simple number patterns. 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2. These are going down by minus 2 every time, so they'll be minus 44, minus 46, minus 48. These are also going down by 2 every time, so that'll be up by 2 every time, sorry. These are going down by 4 every time, or up by 4 every time, sorry. It's because they're minus signs. When the numbers get smaller in the minus, it means it's getting closer to 0, it's getting bigger. So that will be minus 79, minus 75, minus 71. This will be minus 5, minus 10, minus 15. This in 100 smaller every time. Yeah, actually that's okay, I'll just give it a bit of space. Minus 201, minus 301. Okay, I should be able to just grab that and shift it across a little bit. Yeah, it's probably good enough. There we go. There are all the questions for that part. Let me know if you've got any questions in the comments below. Thank you so much for your time.